This is the moment that we put James on the ground. Let's see what the verdict is. Oh, Joyce seems to like him. He seems to like himself also. James! Jamesy! Come, play! Ja, kijk eens. James! Let's see you run. There you are. So this is what became of James after the grooming workshop. And I will ask her owner for a reaction. I will put that on the Facebook page also. I think he looks very nice.
He does.
And by the way, this is my first English film. So forgive me if it isn't perfect. Okay. Going to film him for the Dutch people now.